Allergies are a type of immune system response to a substance that is usually harmless to most people. When a person with an allergy comes into contact with an allergen, their immune system overreacts, producing antibodies and histamines that cause a range of symptoms. Common allergens include pollen, dust mites, pet dander, certain foods, insect stings, and some medications. Symptoms of allergies can vary widely, from mild symptoms like itching, sneezing, and runny nose, to more severe reactions like anaphylaxis, which can be life-threatening. Allergies are very common, affecting millions of people worldwide. Some allergies may be seasonal, while others may persist year-round. Although allergies cannot be cured, they can usually be managed with a combination of avoidance strategies, medications, and immunotherapy. 1. Fatty fish. Fish such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce allergy symptoms. 2. Quercetin-rich foods. Quercetin is a flavonoid that acts as a natural antihistamine. Foods that are high in quercetin include apples, onions, berries, and citrus fruits. 3. Probiotic-rich foods. Probiotics help support gut health and can improve the immune system's response to allergens. Foods that are high in probiotics include yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables such as sauerkraut and kimchi. 4. Drink plenty of fluids. Drinking fluids, such as water and herbal tea, can help thin mucus and relieve congestion. 5. Fruits and vegetables. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables can help provide the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your body needs to support a healthy immune system. 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are high in magnesium, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Examples include almonds, cashews, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. 7. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as kale, spinach, and collard greens are high in vitamin C, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce allergy symptoms. 8. Hot peppers. Hot peppers contain a compound called capsaicin, which gives them their spicy taste. Capsaicin has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce inflammation in the body, which could potentially help alleviate allergy symptoms. Some studies have also suggested that capsaicin may help reduce congestion and other respiratory symptoms associated with allergies. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings and determine the most effective dosage and method of using hot peppers for allergy relief.